In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Academy. If you're looking to expand your knowledge and skills with comprehensive courses, HubSpot Academy has got you covered. Let's walk through the process step by step to get you started on your learning journey. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL in the address bar. This will take you to the homepage where you can access all of HubSpot's services and tools. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log into your account. For a convenient experience, you can use the Sign in with Google option. Simply click on this button, and if you're already logged into Google, it will display the accounts available. Choose the account associated with your HubSpot profile, and you'll be directed to your HubSpot account dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. From this list, select HubSpot Academy. This section of HubSpot offers a variety of educational materials to help you grow your skill set. Now that you're in the HubSpot Academy section, you'll want to find a course that suits your interests or educational needs. Use the search function to look up the specific topics you're interested in. Type in keywords related to the skills or knowledge you wish to gain, for instance, digital marketing or content strategy. The search feature is designed to give you quick and precise results. After searching, you'll be presented with a list of courses. Browse through the options and decide which one fits best with what you're looking to learn. When you've made your choice, click on the course to view more details about it, such as course outlines, instructor information, and what you'll learn upon completion. To start your educational journey, you'll need to enroll in the course. Look for the Enroll button, usually prominently displayed on the course page. Clicking on this button will add the course to your account, making all the materials accessible for you to start learning at your own pace. And that's it! You've successfully navigated to HubSpot Academy, searched for a course, and enrolled. Remember, this platform is an excellent resource for expanding your knowledge and enhancing your professional skills. Keep an eye out for new courses and opportunities to learn and grow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy learning with HubSpot Academy.